everyone, my name is Valerie Dison and today I am making chocolate chip peanut butter cookies. How to make fudgy and chewy chocolate chip cookies stuffed with gooey peanut butter. Cookie dough is double chocolate with rich and brownie texture. Slightly crispy on the edges, but very soft in the center. I suggest this recipe to every chocolate addicted, even the ones who usually don't like peanut butter. This video was inspired by How Tasty. The channel link, or the video to, or the channel, no. The link to their video will be linked in my description box below, so check that out. But yeah, let's get started on this recipe. So first we're going to start off, we're going to spoon 17 large teaspoons of peanut butter into a lined tray and put in the freezer for 30 minutes or until frozen. Meanwhile, make cookie dough. In a large bowl, place butter, vanilla, brown sugar. I didn't have castor sugar. So I just used a granulated sugar and it turned out great anyway. So if you have that special sugar, try it because that's what it actually called for. But I just made this recipe work. But they turned out great at the end, so. And mix with spatula until creamy. Add egg and combine in a medium-sized bowl. Sift together flour, cocoa, salt, baking soda, and mix well until combined. Incorporate flour mix in incorporate flour into 2 until butter mix. Don't overmix the batter if you want to get soft cookies. Add chocolate chips and combine. Put cookie dough in refrigerator for about 30 minutes. You can leave in the fridge for 24 hours. Me personally, I just went to go get my kids and by the time I came back to get the kids from school, I know it was over 30 minutes, so yeah, you can do that. Use a 5 centimeter ice cream scoop to scoop the cookie dough into a ball, or you can do what I did, make into a little log. And I made basically, you see how I sliced it. I kind of did it in halves and halves until I had about 16 cookies. But yeah, you just flatten the ball, which I didn't really flatten the ball, and it worked out great. So place in the center, one frozen peanut butter scoop. Fold the cookie dough edges to seal well and roll into a ball. Repeat until you finish all cookie dough. You'll get about 16 to 17 cookies, and normally I don't do well on measurements, but this did pretty well on the measurement part. Place 6 cookie balls into lined baking sheet and bake in preheated fan oven, upper and lower heat at 180 degrees or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 9 minutes. So on this, I just put all the cookie dough or cookie balls onto the lined baking sheet like you saw in this video, and it was preheated at 350, and it did only take 9 minutes. So there you go. This is my first time making this recipe. Normally I only share the ones that I share the ones that I've routinely made. So if you have any suggestions on how to make these a little bit better, then let me know, especially on the whole part of getting the peanut butter not to ooze out of the chocolate dough. because mine did. And I don't know how to really prevent that, but I guess it was because maybe I needed more dough, so, or the peanut butter needed to be more frozen. I should have did it in I should have took like 6 out of the peanut butter, or not 6, but you know, like half the peanut butter balls out of the freezer, and then did those, and then take the other half out because my peanut butter was pretty much melted like halfway, at the halfway point. So I had to, yeah, it was kind of a little creamy mess at the end a little bit. But yeah, remove from the oven, and immediately when still hot, place some chocolate chips on top, which I forgot to do this. Mine was a little bit cooled off, but you know, it worked, so it's okay. Wait about 10 minutes to remove cookies from the baking sheet, and then cool them down completely on a wire rack, or just do what I did and just leave it on there, you know, on the baking sheet until you get done eating what you're going to eat before you eat these cookies. And it has plenty of time to cool off by then. But these was great. I really loved them. Yeah, leave any comments down below. Let me know, have you ever made anything like this? What I could do to make the peanut butter stay in the chocolate chip dough better, where it won't ooze out at the end like it did here. But needlessly to say, it turned out great. Even today, like, I put them in the refrigerator after we got done with what we wanted to do fresh, and it's about at least 3 days later, and I ate a couple this morning, and they tasted great. Even actually, they tasted a little bit sweeter today, which was really good because this calls for a unsweetened peanut butter and unsweetened cocoa powder, so it wasn't quite as sweet as I would like it freshly baked, but today it was perfect. So yeah, please let me know if you have any recommendations you would like to see from me for next future videos. But yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies on my next video. Bye.